Hi everyone. Today I'll be making homemade microwavable pickles. What all goes into the homemade microwavable pickles? 1 large cucumber. I got these from a friend in his garden. This is what he gave me, so I'll be using 2 small-ish to medium sized cucumbers. 1 medium onion thinly sliced. 3/4 cup sugar. Almost forgot. 1/2 cup white vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon mustard seed. 1/4 teaspoon celery seed. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. And 1 teaspoon salt. So let's begin. So take a 2-quart microwavable bowl. I have a 2.5 quart Anchor Hocking bowl. Combine all of your ingredients. I have the 1 medium onion thinly sliced. I had it on the thinnest setting on my mandolin, and they are very thinly sliced. Then I did the 2 smallish to medium cucumbers, had it on the thinnest slice to begin with, and they were way super thin, so I put it on the second setting, and this is what I got. That looks more pickle-like. So some's going to be thin, some's going to be about right. So that's my 2 cucumbers. Then take the 3/4 cup sugar. ½ cup of white vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon of the mustard seed. The 1/4 teaspoon of the celery seed. 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric. And the 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix that really well. I have never made pickles in my life. It always sounded so difficult. So when I come across this recipe, heck yeah, microwavable, why not? Looks like everything is pretty well mixed. We will stir it again. So take your microwave, put your pickles in the microwave. Okay, so you want to set this up for 80% power for 5 minutes. So we'll do 5 minutes. We'll do power level at 80 and then hit start. Halfway through, we'll stir it. After 2.5 minutes, stir your pickles. Make sure that they are all getting submerged and cooking. And by stirring them, the ones that are on top will now get all the juices on the bottom. Put them back into the microwave and finish cooking them the last 2.5 minutes. So after the total of 5 minutes, I took it out of the microwave. I'm going to stir it just one more time. It didn't say to do that, but I'm going to. Let this cool completely, cover it, and then stick it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a minimum of 2 hours. So I'll see you at the taste test. So here are the homemade microwave pickles. Let's see what our taste testers think.
Alright, I'm gonna smell it.
And then you smell.
Oh, they smell like cucumbers. They smell good.
Yeah.
I am just gonna use my finger, sorry. No fork for this guy.
Go ahead and get one. We'll cheers it together.
Okay.
Beat him to the punch.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
What a face!
Don't be spitting though.
That's what you think.
And don't have another bite if you don't like it.
You like it? Is it a little sour?
I want it.
I
The sour.
thought it was pretty
You
good.
kind of don't like it, but I do.
Makes me think
I
of,
know that's right. Yeah, it's both. I like it, but I don't.
kind of makes me think of McDonald's pickles, but
Heck no.
way more mustardy.
Different. Each one is different, I feel.
Okay,
Yeah,
now
that one was more of a pickle flavor than the other one was. The other one was more cucumber at first.
Yeah.
it's so good. The mustard part No.
Yeah,
No.
They're pretty good though.
it'd be good with something like on a burger
Yeah.
That's the part that.
Yeah,
or
no,
hot dogs, even
yeah,
if you like ripped it up or
No.
something.
yeah, no.
Hot dogs.
The part, not the whole thing.
Yeah, you don't just normally eat pickles by themselves except for those
Like
big.
the actual pickle,
Oh,
yeah.
whole pickle or something.
So it's a yay,
Yeah.
It's
I like
good.
it.
I like it.
Considering.
considering it's pickles.
Well, and vinegar. Yeah.
Yay!
Um,
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.